Ready to turn your passion for real estate into a rewarding coaching career, specifically tailored for the unique U.S. market? First, let's address foundational coaching techniques. Master active listening, powerful questioning, and goal setting to help your clients achieve breakthroughs. Why Euro think of it as building their personalized roadmap to success. Next, dive deep into U.S. market knowledge. Stay updated on national and local trends, understand diverse regulations, and know your inventory to provide accurate and relevant advice. You need to become their go-to source for market insights. Client relationship management is critical. Show empathy, build trust, and tailor your coaching to each client's individual needs. Remember, their success is your success. Now, think effective strategies. Why Euro help your clients with lead generation, negotiation skills, and marketing tactics specifically designed for the U.S. audience. Equip them with a full arsenal for success. Realtor Coach USA offers insights and resources specific to the U.S. real estate landscape, providing you with expertise, proven strategies, and a network of peers. Visit us today to elevate your coaching career. Elevate your real estate coaching game with strategies tailored for the U.S. market. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.